Next topic is necessity. The list of function in our sense awareness. The question asked above, we need political party because they perform all these functions. So what was the main question which we have asked, or which we have come through in the starting of this chapter, is that why we need political party. So we need political party because they perform all these functions which we have discussed in the previous video. But we still need to ask why modern democracies cannot exist without political party. But still there are many questions that why in the modern democracies they cannot exist without the political parties. We can understand the necessity of political party by imagining a situation without parties. Now you imagine a country without a political party. What you can see? Will all the people will live happily and peacefully? No, they will rule according to their way. They will think that our community is more superior than any other community, and finally there will be a conflict among the different peoples. So this is the main reason why we need political party, to guide us, to help us, to control the conflict between the different communities. We can every candidate in the election will be independent, so no one will be able to make any promise to the people about any major policy changes. Just now I have explained you, they will rule independently, and they will just look after their own community, not to the other citizens needs and requirement. The government may be formed, but its unity will remain ever uncertain. Elected representative will be accountable to their constituency for what they do in the locality, but no one will be responsible for how the country will run. So if the political party will not exist in a country, every you can say the representative or the leader, they will look after to their own community, and they will not bother that how our country will run. They will only look after their locality or their community. We can also think about it by looking at the non-party based election to the panchayat in many states. Although the parties do not contest formally, it is generally noticed that the village gets split into more than one faction, each of which puts up a panel of its candidate. At the village level also, the election are not held formally, but still they are divided into different factions or different sections, and every panel they have their own candidates. Still they run their you can say area in a better way. This is exactly what the party does. That is the reason we find political party in almost all countries of the world, whether these countries are big or small, old or new, developed or developing. So in every country, whether they are big or small in area, whether they are old or new country, or whether they are developed or developing country, every country they need the political party to run the country, because it is not possible for all the people to run their own country by their own. This is the reason why we need our leader or representative who will look after our needs and requirement. The rise of political party is directly linked to the emergence of representative democracies. As we have seen, large society need representative democracy. So the large society or a large number of people, they need the representative who will guide them, who will help them, and if they are facing any problem, they will give different types of policies, or they will create different types of schemes which will be beneficial for them. So this is the reason why we need political party to run a country. As societies became large and complex, they also needed some agency to gather different views on various issues and to present these to the government. So as the society, they have become very large and it has become very complex. That means very difficult to understand what are the different needs and requirement of all the communities, because they are living together, especially in India. All the religion, they are living together. So it is not possible to gather all the different views at one level. So different political parties, they have divided into different section, and each section will look after the particular area, and if they are facing any issues or if they are having any problem, they will look after according to the area wise. They needed some ways to bring various representatives together so that our responsible government could be formed. So they need some ways or a measures so that they can bring various representative or the leaders together so that they can make a responsible government who can be run in a better way. They needed a mechanism to support or restrain the government make policies justify or oppose them. Political parties fulfill these needs that every representative government has. We can say that parties are necessary condition for a democracy. So political parties plays an important role because they fulfill the different needs and requirement of all the different communities which live in a democratic country, and with the help of political parties they support and even they restrain the government by implementing different types of policies and different types of scheme, and if that scheme is not at all beneficial for the people, they can even oppose them. So these are the different functions and why political parties are needed in a democratic country.